Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Addicted to Fishing 12. Today we're fishing at the same creek that me and my friend did the one rod tournament. And as you can see, there's a lot more algae here this time. I'm not sure what we're going to do about that. Anyway, we're going to move upstream and hopefully catch some fish, so stay tuned. Perfect spot. That's exactly where I wanted that. Oh, dang. Got one. Yeah, it's a small one. Oh, it came off. Okay. Nice little smallmouth right there. Caught it on a little crawdad lure. Alright, let's put him back. Oh, I got one. Oh my god, it's so tiny.
I just want a freaking fish. I've never met my hit.
Shoot. They have so much energy in them. Nice little smallie right there.
Oh, I got a fish.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, dang, that's a nice one. Get him up. Nice fish.
Alright. There we go.
That's a nice smallie, Jay. It's a nice smallie right there for the creek.
Okay.
Alright, let's put him back.
Probably about 12 inches.
Oh, got him. Oh, man, on the freaking grasshopper. Rest in peace. Yeah. I saw him come up and eat it. That was awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay. Caught that fish on a grasshopper. Alright, let's put her back. Here she goes. Oh my god. Oh dang! Got one. What the heck? I was just reeling it back in to get it. I was just reeling it back in and he killed it. Here we go. What the heck? Okay, hold on a second. Okay. Nice little tiny smallmouth. Good. Do I have one? Yeah, dude. 12 or 13, yeah. Nice fish. Oh, I felt a touch on a little chub or something, but I'm just gonna try and catch him. Oh, what is it? Shiner. And I barely got him. The worm. Alright, let's put it back. What? This is why I hate freaking breakdown poles. This always happens. Yes. This is why I don't buy breakdown poles. Oh.
That was you little fucker.
Cause oh, there's one.
You took my fish.
What the heck?
Snagged it. That was my fish.
Oh God, this is how you get a hook in the finger. Okay. Ow. Ow. Chill out, dude. Oh, shoot. It was in past the barb. Yes, but I got it back out. Fish on. Zach's got one.
Yeah. No!
I got another fish on it. Forgot to press record. Ah, shoot. There we go. Nothing big, but nice little smallie.
Ow!
Your face. Your face, Zach. Dude, if the barb is... Oh, dang! Zach, stop. Zach.
That hurt my foot. Never cast over the shoulder with a 4-foot rod.
4.5 feet.
There's Jason's fish.
Need some slack.
Oh, I got one. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. Oh, look at that jump. Yes, got him. It's a fatty. That's a fatty. Look at that fish, guys. That is a fat smallie. Biggest bass for me today. It's a fatty. Look at it.
Whoa.
Okay. They're still coming. Got one. Oh, there he goes. Quick release. Oh, big one. Oh my God. There's a huge one. Oh my God, that thing was huge. Oh my God. Got him. Got him. Nice one. Nice bass. They're getting bigger as the farther we go up. There's one way bigger than this in here. Okay. Oh my God. I gotta get that big one. Oh, I got him. Oh, look at that jump. It's a small one. I got it. Oh, it came off. Oh, got one. There we go. Nice one. Oh, dang, that thing was not going to come out. Pretty fish. All right, let's let her go.